Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify store 2025. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the Shopify dashboard on your store here. Then you have to search for in the mini search bar here you can see this one. Search for the pre-order option. I mean pre-order, and from there you can choose any of your favorite pre-order sites. And for example, I will go with this one, pre-order now WOD. Okay, here you can see this one. So after clicking on the site, you have to tap onto add app. After clicking on the app, you have to tap onto add app. So after completing installation, here you can see this option that my pre-order now WOD, this app is now added. And now you have to customize that which products you wish to pre-order. So as you can see, it is asking for me search for product to make available for pre-order. So for now I will search for the product and add it to here. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Here you can see water pressure rocket launcher. I'm going to choose this one, then add details here like enable pre-order for this variant or not. If you want to enable it, tick the sign and then save settings. Okay, after saving the settings, it will be added to for your pre-order. And as you can see here, you can see this pre-order now, this option, and that's it. This is how you can add pre-orders on Shopify. Easy tutorial. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.